welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do these pretty beaded box braids.
Okay, so I look at it.
And these are the products that you'll need. Everything will be listed down below. This is not a very detailed video, but if y'all want that, I can do that for y'all. But I'm just showing y'all how I did my box braids. I'm not a good teacher, but y'all could just watch. So right here I'm just showing you my braids. I did 2 rows at the bottom of the silver, and then the rest of my hair is black. I also scattered like little pieces of silver throughout. This is my hair, so I really don't care if my parts aren't as straight. But if I were to do it on somebody else's hair, yes, your parts will be straight. So I just take the product and I put it on my roots, and then I use the jam and put it on my ends, and I comb it through. My camera really played me. These are medium-sized box braids, so I take a medium-sized section of hair. I separate into 2 sections, one big section and one little section, and then I hook them into each other, and then I place it on my hair. I was watching for my man on YouTube, y'all.
Raphael had been shot 12 times and was pronounced dead.
And so I just hook it on my braid, and then I braid it all the way down to the ends. And then sometimes I get little snags and I just comb it out. And then I just literally repeat the same process throughout my whole entire head. $500. I be crying when I spend $60. I be like, what am I buying? Like, why is my price so high? Here's a slow-mo of what I was talking about in the beginning. When I do a big section and a little section, then I loop them together, and then you should have a total of 3 legs. The smaller leg is going to be its own leg, and then the 2 other ends will be their own. I add the styling jam to the ends of my natural hair to smooth everything in. And since we are on the front, we gotta slick them edges. I really thought my chicken sandwich was not done. I really thought it wasn't done. But it was done, y'all. It was done. And because I kept stopping. I washed clothes. I had that 2 loads already, and then I had to wash my pillowcases and my sheets. The last bread. The last bread. Oh no. In total, because I had that single pack of grapes. Technically, 4 in like 1/3, like 4 and 1/3. I started at like what? I was on 2:15, 20, and now it is 9:25. Do the math. It's because I kept taking breaks. Because normally I like to just get stuff done. I'm gonna come back when I'm putting. But I did braid them. What kind of braid them all the way down to the end. I'm gonna show y'all how I put the beads on, and then we gonna come back when everything is done. Putting beads on is boring. I don't even want to say put the beads on, but I got to, because that's how I want my hair to look. So I boiled it. Look at my ash. I boiled my ends, and now we're about to put the beads on. I stick my finger into the little loop that it makes at the end, and then I just feed the beads into the curved hook. Just do that until the whole thing is filled. Total of 9 beads on each braid, and then I don't really know how to describe how I did it. I just hooked it to the end of the loop and then just pulled it up. So now I'm about to put the rubber bands on it, and this is real time how fast I do it. And then I just cut off the excess hair. Just repeat that step throughout all your hair, and don't forget any braid. Once all the beads are put on, I oil my scalp, then I foam my braids, and I spritz them, and then I blow dry it. are my braids. I hope y'all like them because I love them. And thank y'all for 100 subscribers. A giveaway is coming soon. And as always, thanks for watching.